Hindi lang lahat oh. Masagot magdalhin man ako rin. Ha? Wala man dahil.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Before we gonna make Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we gonna cook a bihon. And before again. And before we start, I would like to thanks to Dan who send pizza to us. We enjoy to eat. Thank you so much. And to Bill, thank you. And then I apologize if we did not upload video because we had a trouble again on the computer and then plate is not feeling well. So I'm gonna show you guys how to cook bihon. Bihon is a Filipino food. It's a noodles. With
Hi.
here's is Joy and then Kim. Here we go.
Oh. You need to halo-halo the chicken.
What
in the
halo-halo?
pan. And again guys, the pan is dancing again. Again, lampas namin
You
oh.
need this.
Men oh, lampas namin oh.
Yeah.
Yung saro, ay ito man yan.
Ilalagay sa iyo. Masok mo din.
Ha?
Masok. Masok mo naman ako.
Ito naman sa baba.
It's a favorite food of Chris also. This one. Smell good. Here we go. It's carrots. Hello, Sophie. Champi. How old you start to
Kili
cook,
madya. Kili.
Kim?
Kili.
Yeah. No, Joy.
Yan.
How old are you?
Parang ano. You know,
No, you need to speak English,
I
okay?
need to, you know, I start.
Wait lang.
Okay.
Kim first.
I will halo this. Maram ka na
I hope guys you like the video.
I'm only I'm starting.
You start cooking. How old?
Maybe 15.
15? Really? My God. 15.
I learn.
Me 20 30.
And me guys, you know, I started cooking when I was kid. When I was young, very young. No joke lang.
How are you, Joy?
I am 28 and coming 29 this year. Undo ka na rin ka na magkuntang ngayon. And guys, this na ko sa taranggo.
How's the foreigner chatting with you?
Yes, we have a good conversation. And
What's his name?
Elia.
Just Elia lang?
Morion.
Just Elia?
My love.
Oh, my love na. Just Elia?
Elia Morion.
So how many foreigners did you
Chat,
was it
we
called?
chat.
Yeah.
I think many, but I concentrate with these two foreign man live the same place in the US.
You can greet them because I know they will watch.
Hi Ellie. Hi Piers. Hope you like this video. If you can watch this. I'm here Ate Mel's house and Chris.
Yeah. We just cook
You know, I entertain these two guys because this guy is good and
how you know he's good?
treat me
How you know he's good?
because that guy is always give me a time and never mention about
Really?
I didn't like, you know that what I mean, guys.
Look, Dice of Joy. He had big eye bags.
Because he always sleep around midnight.
Yes, I sleep around midnight, I think 2 to 3 a.m. because
Oh my God.
if night here, there is morning, so it's opposite.
So you're not bothered if the mosquito biting you?
Yes, you know, yesterday night I am standing charging the phone of my sister and the mosquito bite me.
Because Joy she's
And
using Wi-Fi on the barangay.
Yes.
Because you live there near.
Yes.
Demo, jumping Wi-Fi. Joy is jumping Wi-Fi.
because the signal in our small the communication, the signal is good there.
No, jumping Wi-Fi, Joy.
Are you excited to see
Yes,
them?
yeah, very excited because
Did you feel scared or
No,
nervous?
no.
Why?
no, I'm not. I never feel scared because I know that parang isa makakasabay. Makakasabay ako sa inda. I never feel scared because I know that that guy he will like me because of me.
No. Pa.
And this guy
you
is
can-
treat me good, so I need to go back the good as well.
So for example, you knowing each other na, and then he wants you to live there in US. Just for example, do you want to live there?
Yeah. I will come there and go there in.
I thought you don't want to go to stay
Yes,
there.
but
Just
wait a
just
minute.
visit, but you don't want to live there.
No, yeah. Wait a minute.
Okay.
I will
Kapag
come
mainit.
if one day I can I have a foreign man husband, a foreign man. Yes, I can go there because I need to ano ba? Go to him. I need to go to him if he can want to go because
Kaya mo yan.
Because
Oo. Ang kawali.
because we are one and we are husband and wife.
All this.
okay.
Ay, hoy.
Oh my God. May tinatago ko dun. Naka-reserve lang yun.
Because I'm sorry guys. You know, every time I'm speaking English, my nose is bleeding. Sabi ko na sa'yo, yung pararagit ang dila ko.
You can say Tagalog, so Kim she will translate in English.
No, I think it's better to me. Ikaw naman, Tol, pass.
Pass din to. Busy ako.
Yes.
Let's talk about Joy. We need to give advice. Like for example, like you, what is your experience about when you're looking for a foreigner? What did you experience?
Yes, I
So
have.
we need to
I have
advise.
so many.
Wait,
Wow.
we need to we need to give some advice for the Filipina that wants a foreigner.
Okay.
So we need to advise
Yes.
them.
Guys, I have so many, before I have so many chatmate in FB, foreign men, and it's true that people in this world are different and they have their own attitude. And bisa ano ito yung sabi base kung sa kung mga ano.
Based on my
Based on my
experience.
experience,
My God!
the foreign man in different country, sometimes they are rude,
Yeah.
they are
When you
serious.
first start,
Yeah.
when you like for example, when you first conversation
Yeah.
to him,
ano ba? Ano mo?
Wait a minute. Yun na yan.
so guys, I will translate in Tagalog, okay? So sa mga Pinay dyan na gustong maghanap ng foreigner, be careful.
Yes, mag-ingat kayo, pwede na lang. Mag-ingat kayo kasi hindi lahat ng mga nakaka-chat nyo ay totoo. And
Yeah, it's-
hindi lahat ng pake nila ay maganda.
Maganda.
At meron naman, hindi naman natin kailangan lahatin, pero meron at meron doon na may isa or mga dalawa.
Me
na,
also, based on my experience before, when I'm starting to chat some of foreigner, it's rude.
yes.
When,
And they want
when,
also, they only want to see your boobs, to see your
Ano,
tits,
yeah.
and I will send you money.
Yeah.
Oh, come on,
Yeah.
I'm like that. That's why.
Yeah, if the foreigners like that.
So,
Tagalog mo na lang, Joy.
Ano,
You can say Tagalog.
Oh, and guys, sa ngayon, parang masasabi ko nang nahanap ko na yung foreigner na
Really?
mga nahanap ko, yes.
Wait
As
lang,
of now,
I
hindi
will
ako
try.
sure.
I will translate in Tagalog, in English, so our subscribers, they know what you're saying. Joy said that she's confident that this man
Yeah.
find someone
Yeah.
like that. That's
Because,
Joy. I think this is it. This is the man that I'm looking for. That's what Joy saying.
Yes.
And then
And then because I think they
Tagalog. You can say Tagalog. My God.
and masasabi kong parang actually hindi pa naman yan sure. Pero nararamdaman ko na parang
Joy said
magkakaroon kami ng magandang
Okay.
pag-uusap nito or pagkikilala kasi itong dalawang ito never na nag-mention ng about na kung anong gusto nilang makita o bibigyan kita ng pera.
Yeah.
Hindi sila na ganun and
Joy-
hindi lang ako ang kinukumusta nila, pati yung anak ko. Kasi
Family.
nga guys, mayroon
The
ako isang
family.
anak.
Yeah.
Pati yung mga kapatid ko, mga mama at papa ko. Kaya
I will translate in English. Joy saying that these two guys, the chatting of Joy, she thinks it's she's saying that these two guys it's a good man because they not saying any rude,
yeah.
and then they always saying how what she's saying that only not her that my God.
These two guys never mention about the rude attitude and if we are
They asking also not only you,
Yeah,
only
also my-
also your family.
yes.
Yeah,
So that's
what
what
she
I
saying.
think
That-
I like these two guys.
Yeah, that's what she feel. That's the two guys is a good man.
Yeah. And I hope so. I wish that
So this one guy, when he will come here in the Philippines? The
same
first
place
one.
The same place.
Huh?
The same.
No. Marin
Kaya
indo
nga, ano sabi mo? The black. Pares ng black girl.
okay.
Ano sabi mo? Saka pares US. Ano sabi mo?
Okay. I asked you if these two, because you said to me, right, that
Yeah.
these two guys, they have planning to visit you in the Philippines.
Yes.
So my question is, when they will come here in the Philippines? The first guy is when?
The first guy is in the middle of March.
And then the second
guy
one?
is the first week of April.
Okay.
So I hope we can have a good spend time
Yeah.
together, getting to know each other.
Yeah.
And I promise, guys, that I will do my.
Lagi ano na ba kami?
Hi, Chris. Oh my God, thank you. Ano ba itong feeling na?
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping